So this is the baby peacefully on nasal CPAP. We'll be discussing ventilation later on, but non-invasive ventilation is preferred in most cases because it avoids intubation and the complications related to mechanical ventilation. So lower risk of BPD and complications like ventilator-associated pneumonia is definitely shown with non-invasive ventilation. We have different forms: high-flow nasal cannula, humidified high-flow nasal cannula, CPAP, NIPPV, which is like a higher form of CPAP, non-invasive positive pressure ventilation. And we always use blended gas. So whenever you ventilate the baby, either invasively or non-invasively, never use just oxygen because there is a high risk of ROP. And it's a huge medical legal problem if you get ROP and you didn't use appropriate ventilation, like mainly the blender is important. FaO2 should be controlled to the lowest possible. You monitor the saturation and keep the target limits. There is a risk of oxygen toxicity at ROP if you don't titrate it. We need very good nursing care and appropriate interface. You may rotate the mask and prong, for example. Humidification is very important because the baby cannot get the cold, dry air. In a non-invasively ventilated baby, the gas flow is fast for the baby's own mechanism to humidify. And these babies are already cold stressed. They are small babies, so you need to humidify and heat the gas. There is a concept of adequate FRC. So it's very important to recruit and maintain the lung volume in these babies to prevent worsening. So if there is any event like an apnea which drops your lung volume, you recruit the lung by increasing the pressure for a brief time.